Good afternoon, children. Okay, now can you see what is there on the screen? It's a picture of a rainbow, right? Now, what is this? It's a rainbow. Now, what is a rainbow? Rainbow is an arc which is created, which is made when the sun and the rain happens together. Okay, so when there is sunlight and rainfall happening together, we can at times, not always, at times we can see rainbow in the horizon. Now if you look at this picture, it's an arc, it's a semicircle. All right, from one end on the left hand side, it is getting connected to the right hand side. It looks like a bridge in the sky. Can you see? Okay, we feel like we can just climb over from the left hand side of the bridge and walk down to the right hand side of the bridge. So there is another picture also which will show you, when you look at the rainbow, it has so many bright different colors in it. Okay, and it feels like a bridge from the earth to the sky. ओके आप लोग अगर ब्रिज पे जब जाते हो तो हम एक एंड से दूसरे एंड पे उतरते हैं ना, ब्रिज पे चढ़कर. सेम वेज रेनबो जब आप देखोगे नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू कैन सी अ रेनबो इन द स्काई, just look at it properly. You'll feel as if you can just climb on that bridge and cross over to the other side. Okay, so it's an arc which is created when the sunlight and rainfall happens together. So our poem is the Rainbow Song. All right, this is in your stories and rhymes book level 2. Okay, so I'll recite the poem for you and I'll let you know what is the meaning. Okay, now let's start. Let's begin with the poem. The Rainbow Song. Violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red I have seen. What does it mean? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red are the 7 different colors in the rainbow. Okay, we have these 7 colors in the rainbow and they are fixed. Okay, now their combinations will be the same: violet, indigo, then blue, then green, then yellow, orange and red. All right, and this little child is saying that violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red I have seen. In the rainbow's beautiful light, I forget the darkness of the night. मतलब क्या है? In the rainbow's beautiful light. जब भी आपने अगर rainbow देखा होगा, you children might get very excited. I know, right? You all become so excited. You go around and say that, see, I have seen a rainbow. Look at the sky. There's a rainbow there. है ना? सबको जाके बताते होंगे हमने रेनबो देखा करके. So in that with the view of the rainbow, आप अगर किसी चीज़ से दुखी हो या किसी चीज़ से नाराज़ हो, आप अगर रो रहे होते हैं तो भी आप उस रेनबो को देख करके बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो आई फॉरगेट द डार्कनेस ऑफ द नाइट. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. एट ऑल द कलर्स आई स्टॉप एंड स्टेयर. मैं जब वो रेनबो के कलर्स देखता हूँ तो मैं रुक कर उसके सारे कलर्स को आई स्टॉप एंड स्टेयर. स्टेयर मतलब एक तरफ देखते ही रहना. Okay, just looking at a particular thing continuously for a long time is called as staring. So at all the colors I stop and stare. This is a secret the rain and the sun share. It's a secret that the rain and sun shares together. Because why? It happens along with the rain and the sun only. Normally, usually what happens when the sun, when it is raining, we see dark clouds. It becomes very dark and it starts raining. But at times what happened? The sun is also there. It is quite sunny and along with it the rain starts falling. Correct? So at that time, in a horizon somewhere, you might find the rainbow. So it is a secret that the rain and the sun are sharing when they make the arc, when they make the rainbow. At the end of the rainbow, I am told, lies a big pot of gold. Now this child is saying that at the end of the rainbow, when the rainbow ends, the point where the rainbow ends, he will find a big pot of gold. गोल्ड से भरा हुआ घड़ा उसको वहाँ पे मिलेगा. This is what the child is trying to say. What does that mean? Obviously वहाँ पे कोई घड़ा नहीं होने वाला सोने का. वो बोल रहा रेनबो देख करके जहाँ से उसको रेनबो दिखेगा, he will become very happy when at the sight of the rainbow. So this is what he is trying to say. I'll become very happy when I will see the rainbow. Okay, so let's recite the poem once more. The rainbow song. Violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red I have seen. In the rainbow's beautiful light, I forget the darkness of the night. At all the colors I stop and stare. This is a secret the rain and the sun share. At the end of the rainbow, I am told, lies a big pot of gold. Okay, now children, in this, if you see, green, seen, EEN, EEN. Okay, then we have light, night, IGHT, IGHT. Last keywords. Then we have stare, 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 SHARE, share. Again, ARE. Then TOLD, told, GOLD, gold. OLD words. What are these? These are called as rhyming words. Okay, we find rhyming words in all the poems. Poems are written with rhyming words. At the end of each line, you will find the rhyming word. Okay, so when you learn this poem, I want you to learn this poem by heart. This will come in the oral exams. Okay, so when you're going to learn this poem, what you do is you will learn the first two lines together. These two lines. Okay, that is violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red I have seen. First by heart these two lines. Then learn these two lines. That is, in the rainbow's beautiful light, I forget the darkness of the night. Okay, once you learn these two lines, the first two lines and the second two lines, then you will learn all the four together. फिर आपको वो चारों एक साथ बोलने को आना चाहिए. Okay, once first, second, third, fourth lines पक्का हो जाएगा, then we learn the fifth and the sixth line. That is, at all the colors I stop and stare. This is a secret the rain and the sun share. So ये two lines आपने by heart कर लिया. उसके बाद last में, at the end of the rainbow I am told, lies a big pot of gold. Then you will learn the seventh and the eighth line together. Okay, then you will learn all of them together. If you sit and learn all of them together, you might not be able to by heart it easily. This is a big poem. Okay, so take up two lines at a time, by heart the two lines, then go to the next two lines, then join all the four lines and learn it by heart. Okay, and this will come for the exam. Alright children, I hope you like the story, the poem and the info about the rainbow. Alright, if you have any doubts, we can share it in the next class. Thank you.